So today, if I had to finish Slap Tower 3 without 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 oh, they wanted to troll me. Please don't chill, bro. Brutat is the king of the heart. Brutat is the king of troll towers. I literally finish so many troll towers because they are so easy. So no trollers, there you go. And the worst for this, I'm lagging. With Iron Red, there's another player. Please do not slap. No, I'm not slapping people. I'm just slapping trollers. And I passed the trolling. We are in the pink. Let's just teach how to block. Okay, I will help because I can just wall up in I can just do one wall up because it's so hard. Wall up is so hard. We are now close to the end. If I die, I have to beat another one. That is not Slap Tower. I don't care about these damages. No trollers. No trollers. There. Now, but also this is Slap Tower 3, but I can't cut the video. So it means that I can't cheat. Nah, I don't have products to buy admin or the flying carpet. Nah, I'm lagging. If I fall, I had to cut the video, bro. We are now in the next trolling. Please do not troll me. I'm just friendly. Oh crap. I'm scared. I'm scared of it of these kill bricks. I hate kill bricks. Bro, I lost my progresses. But it's okay. I don't need to cut the video. Are you slapping kids? You're gonna get slapped too in real life. I don't need to get that group slap because so are you serious? Let's troll this troll. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Back up. Okay. So serious mode activated. Please do not troll me. I'm just friendly. I'm just wrapping the trollers because they troll people with no brains like me because I watch so many brand routes. I'm not a rated kid. Okay, I'm using mobile. So no trollers. Let's troll this because he is a troller. When he reach it, Let's go. We troll a troller. Wum, wum, wum. Ooh. We are now close to pink. Why this game is so easy? Dude, this is so easy. Every tower that I try is very easy. I'm almost at the top. No trollers in this time. Because I have the mindset. I don't have pencils right now. I'm not mindset. I'm not in school. I'm no. Oh no. I'm cook. I'm cook on the side. The third for trolling. Okay, he's now safe. Why you are moving back there? We are not trollers, bro. What are you doing, kid? Ooh, that's so close. That is so close. If I realize that I cut the video, I'm quick. You're not in the next trolling. This is the last trolling because we are almost at the end. That cut again. I hit the bricks. Okay, where is you? I hate this type of things. So it's time to be serious mode because this is speeding. And I'm gonna be the slap champion. I'll go my champ. So let's go. Let me cook, bro. No. Did I really need to switch a game without cutting? Of course. What if the tower game that I not even played? Nah, still slap tower. Still stop tower. Still stop slap tower, pair. Slap tower X. How about slap tower 4 or the slap tower 2? Because I reached this so many times. Nah, we don't gonna try this. This is so hard. Slap tower 2 is so hard. How did everyone beat it? Impossible. Throw tower. Nah. Labubu. Slap tower. Nah. I don't like Labubu. Troll hanger tower. Wait. Oh. I also finished Pinoy tower because I'm a Pinoy. Troll paper tower. Smack tower. Impossible slap tower 2. Tower of hell. Oh, I'm never gonna try that. It's hard. Flip button. Slap tower 5. Crab slap tower. Let me try something good. How about slap tower 6? I didn't try this before. Slap tower 7. This looks more easier. Or just look like the slap tower. The normal slap tower. Oh hell no. This is up. I know this. This is the same as the slap tower. Yeah, I knew it. It's the same as the slap tower. No secrets. This. Join the group. Okay, this is not the group. I'm not joining the group. So this is not the Chrome is not the developer here with this game. If I really need to, no, we're still gonna join the community. Please is that please don't the community is a shortcut. Yes, shortcut. Finally, a shortcut. I've been waiting for shortcut. I teleport you. This is a scam. Nah, it's not a scam. This is the same map as the Slap Tower, dude. Oh no, I'm close to it. What is that? Why it had this? There. Did I really need to go there? What is this? Nah, this is just a leaderboard. How many power that is this test to display? Nah. Secrets? Nothing. Why I did it using shortcuts. Shortcuts is more easier. Shortcuts is more easier to beat the game. This is the same map as Slap Tower, bro. Oh, it was powerful as usual. So we are now in the next trolling. It is the troller. Don't troll, okay? Don't troll us. Thank you. Is this listen? Oh, that is more easier. Never mind. Let's just go here. So I really need to Bartosz. So wait. This was hard. Okay, just like Slap Tower. This one. What are you doing, kid? I think if you got slapped, you will be running. Just like... No! Bruh! I can cut the video so I get to the shortcut. But the sound is peaceful. Wait. Is that? You remember that? Oh. And I also remember Squid Game. I've been playing so many Squid Game games. When is still new season 3? There's only season 2. So I control here. Do not sleep. Oh, you want to score to? Oh no, it's too close. No, thank you, bro. You're not. Is there? Why didn't you choose a shortcut? He's blind. Oh, now you're here again? Hello. No, thank you. Bro! Are these a child abuse? No, you never had. Okay, this is not. Oh, that is so close. That is so close. Bro, I can cut the video. Kiblangat. Tawag ko sa kanya kiblangat. Okay, so if you read my description, I said that I'm gonna make a new YouTube channel in July 5. No, I forgot that. Bruh, I hate Slap Tower. Oh, you blagaw? No, I'm never gonna troll him. Because I'm gonna get sampal-sampal. That is Boss Monkey. That is Sagging King. I mean Banana King. No! Music? Bro, after I turn off the music, I fell. Just like other troll towers. ding, 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 ding. This is the hardest projects. I can cut the video, bro. It's so hard when you can cut the video. Nah, I think. Nah, still safe. So still. Oh hell no! We had a trawler. I found the first trawler. Our second trawler. Wow! Our second trawler. I can cut the video, bro. How did I get there up without cutting the video? This is a hard challenge. Because I keep cutting, I'm gonna do something, or my family will, come to help. Because I'm in my grandpa's house. Oh, you are again. I forgot that I lose my sleep. Don't. Okay, we found our trawler number 3. I said it. Okay, you again. SpongeBob. Go back there. No, thank you. It's so really hard when you are lagging. See? I'm lagging right now and I can't wall jump or wall hop. Also, I hate wall hopping because they are so hard. Even I need a webmaster to do So you are not there. Stop already. Stop. No! You again, Bulagaw. You trashy guy. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you. You Bulagaw? Are you Bulagaw? Yeah, this one, another Bulagaw. Our second, I found my 5th trawler. Here is Bulagaw. This is Bulagaw. I will call him Bulagaw. Because his hair is like a Bulagaw. Let me just search on Google what is Bulagaw. Bulagaw. This is a Filipino word. Because you're trying to like people. Of course, I had to explode play. Nah, I don't have enough Robux to pay to win. I keep failing because of lag. I hate laggers. Go. Now let's tap anyone. No. Thank you. There. Boss Monkey has been fallen. Me too. I fall too. Please don't troll. I have the power of mindset. I'm gonna troll. Bro. Did I really need to shortcut? And I can cut it. Wait. That is grow a garden sound. I know that song. That is grow a garden. Because everyone know that I'm playing. Because there are people who's playing grow a garden and this. There is Bulagaw. You Bulagaw again. Hello Bulagaw. It's like it's lap time. No. 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 I failed. Wait, it had no cooldown. Yeah. It had a cooldown. Where are you going? Bulagaw? Bro, I can cut the video so I can go to the what the sigma? No trollers here? And so many trollers at the top. But the top is just... Look. I also ready my icon for my next YouTube channel. I ready my icon. Oh, my profile. You almost monkey. Ew. Oh, nah. It's silly. Please don't move to the button, silly. I said don't go to the button. So I can cut. Nah. He's still going. How much minutes? Okay, 21 minutes. This is gonna hit 30 minutes. Just like my other videos. 30 minutes. Like go reality. Nah, I fail. Why I keep failing and I can cut the video? Why did I do this cut challenge? Type of cut challenge. No, do not fail. I said do not fail. And then I failed. This also... No. This water is trying to go to my phone. Accept it. No. Do not. What else? Do not go to my phone. I don't use it. Did I really need to shortcut too many times? Of course, yes. Because I'm a laggy player and the player will keep pulling at 12 times. And I will gonna slap that, I will slap Bulagaw. If I see him, I will. But also on the end, so if it goes, okay, do not touch the button. Good boy. Did I really need to finish this? But I'm a laggy player, so this is gonna be hard. No, he don't troll, so he's nice. He's nice, bro. If I see Seal, I will explode it. Now, there is Seal. Bulat. Yes, I slapped the correct person. I slapped the correct person. Yes. Please do not slap me. Do not slap me. Waters keep going to my phone. Because water is the weakness of phones like Oppo. Please, no players. Good. No players. Good. No! Okay, 5 minutes. And I'm not still beating this game. This game is kinda hard. But also on my next video, yesterday, I'm gonna back on Black Fruits because I didn't play Black Fruit a long time ago. But how many months that I posted my last Black Fruit video because I'm still good at Black Fruits. But my brother has a creation and me too. I had a creation fruit. And it really crushed me because I don't want to mastery all the new guns that I got. Because I got all the guns on the second floor. It's so easy to get. Don't. Okay, do not slap me. Do not slap me. Okay, be nice. Okay, be nice. If I see you, I'm gonna. Oh no, I had to hide. I had to hide. If he shows his hand, I put. Don't, please. He's hiding, bro! He's hiding! Did you really need to... Oh no, this room. Don't be close to other players or they throw me. Sing? Why did you mean sing? I can see you. Oh no, this Yuri. It's not Zara. Oh, he's hiding there. So let's go. Good. Where is? Okay, no trollers this time. Oh, he really tries to troll. Or not. Even, actually. Bro, I fail! Petchy papu. Bye, because I'm gonna cut the video. No, in this time, I had to cut the video. Sorry, I cut the video because I wanna cut the video. Apa? Bro, Ava tries to troll or sampal or troll players. Please do not troll, please. Please be nice. Be nice. Don't go to the... Okay, don't go. Wait, I didn't finish.